Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, Sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class and today we are discussing the VIP series मतलब कि very important problem series है for ICSE 10th and जो topic है बेटा आज के हमारे वो है statistics and probability. दो चैप्टर हैं, दोनों को हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे उनके इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के साथ में. तो शुरू करते हैं क्लास को. इजी क्वेश्चन है दोनों में, ज्यादा कुछ वेरिएशंस नहीं आते हैं. तो लेट्स लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. देखो पहला क्या है, फाइंड द मोड फॉर द फॉलोइंग डेटा यूजिंग अ हिस्टोग्राम. तो हिस्टोग्राम ड्रॉ करके बेटा हमको इसका मोड निकालना है. ठीक है, तो चलो एक बार ट्राई कर लेते हैं इसको. सिंपल सा है, पहले हिस्टोग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, थोड़ा सा रफ डायग्राम है मेरा बट ट्राई करते हैं. ठीक है, so 10 20 30 40 50. Okay, so if it is 10 20 30 40 50, 10 20 30 40 and 50. All right, then 5 12 20 9 4. So we can take a scale of 5. 5 would be enough. All right, let's say 5 10 15 and then let's say here it is 20. All right, let us extend this a bit more. Okay, so first 0 to 10 is 5, so 0 to 10 is 5, 0 to 10 5 is over here. Then 10 to 20 is 12, 10 to 20 is 12, 12 will be somewhere over here, 20 also will go up like this. All right, this is let's say over here. 20 to 30 is going up to 20, 20 तक जा रहा है. All right, okay, let's go up to 20 like this. Then 9, तो 9 must be somewhere over here. And then 4, तो 4 is again more below that. Alright, this is how the histogram should look. Now if we have to find out the mode, so first we will find out the modal class. The modal class is the one with the highest frequency. So this is the modal class we have. Alright, highest frequency. Now join the opposite corners with the corners of the with the next bar. Alright, so here join this one with this point and join this one with this point. Wherever they are intersecting, that will be the mode, x coordinate of over here. अब see, if they both were equal, the lines must meet in the middle, but this one is bit small, so over that side, so it should be less than 25, 24 or 23 point something like that. ठीक है, 24 is your answer, so this point will be 24 on the graph you can see. ठीक है बेटा, simple, nothing else है ना. Mode is very easy to find out. Next question we'll see. Next question क्या है देखो. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 62.8. So mean is given to us as 62.8. All right, and sum of all the frequencies 50. Okay, the missing frequency f1 and f2. So they have told that the mean is 62.8 and your sum of frequencies, summation of f, is given as 50. So here I can say beta sum of frequency will be equal to what? Let's see, 5 plus 10 15, 7 plus 8 is again 15, 15 plus 15 30. So 30 plus f1 plus f2. So see, if to find out f1 and f2 we need two equations in f1 and f2 because there are two variables. So from here first equation I can make, that is, sir, we know 30 plus f1 plus f2 must be equal to 50. Sum of frequency is 50, this must be 50. So from here we got to know that f1 plus f2 must be equal to 20. 50 minus 30, 20. This is my equation number 1. Then the next thing they have given us is mean. So let us find out the mean for this. So for mean, first let's write class mark, that is middle value. So 0 plus 20 by 2, which is 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 110. Then let's do fi into xi. So 10 into 5 is 50. This is 30 f1. All right, then this is 500. Then this is 70 f2. Okay, 7 nines are 63. So 630 and this is 880. Add all of it. Add all of it. All right. So we have 630, 630, 30 plus 50, 80. All right. So, oh sorry, 50 is over here and 30 is over here. 30 plus 30 is 80. So we have 500 plus 600 is 1100. 1100 plus 800 is 1900. 1900 plus 160. 1900 plus 160 is 2060. So we have 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 2060. This is the sum of Fi into Xi. We know beta that mean, we know, remember this thing, we know that mean is equal to sum of F into X divided by sum of frequency. Yes or no? Mean is given as 62.8 is equal to 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 2060 divided by sum of frequency is 50 only. Shift 50 over there. So you'll be getting 5 8s are 40 power 4 to the 10 plus 4 14 plus 1 3140 is equal to 30 F1 plus 70 F2 plus 2060. Shift 2060 over there. So we'll get our next equation, that is 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 2060. If we'll subtract over here, so 0, then 14 minus 6 will be equal to 8 and 0, and here 1080. All right, this is my second equation. So this is a question now of linear equation in two variable. This is now a question of linear equation in two variable. First equation we have is F1 plus F2. Dekho, see, by one of the equation I have is 30 F1. One of the equation which we will be needing to solve, I have 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equal to 1080. This is the second equation I have. Alright, this is the second equation I have. 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is 1080. For the first equation we have is F1 plus F2 is equal to 20. F1 plus F2 is equal to 20. Let us say I want to eliminate F1, multiply this equation with 30. So you have 30 F1 plus 30 F2 is equal to 3 to the 600. So we write over here 30 F1 plus 30 F2 is equal to 600. Let us subtract. So if I will subtract these two equations, so this will become minus, this will also become minus, this will also become minus. This part got cancelled. 70 F2 minus 30 F2 is 40 F2, and 1080 minus 600 will be equal to 480. So F2 is equal to 480 by 40. This 2 is got cancelled. F2 is equal to 12. And if F2 is equal to 12, if F2 is equal to 12 in F1 plus F2 equal to 20, let's put this equation in any of the equation. So we know F1 plus F2 is equal to 20. So F2 is 12 is equal to 20. We have got F1 is equal to 8. Alright. So F1 is equal to 8 and F2 is equal to 20. This will be my answer. Alright. So this is a question of linear equation in two variable. To be more precisely, this is more like linear equation in two variable. And our first equation I have formed by the sum of frequency. Second equation I have formed by using the mean formula. And then solve both the linear equation in two variable, and I have got my answer. Alright beta, this is how this question will be solved. Alright, let's go for the next question now. The next question is this. For the following frequency distribution, find the lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range. So for the quartile, median part and all, we need the cumulative frequency. Let us write cumulative frequency. First, for the first one, it is as it is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 15 will be 32. 32 plus 20 will be equal to 52. 52 plus 16 will be equal to 68. 68 plus 10 is equal to 78. 78 plus 2 is equal to 80. This is the cumulative frequency. Now lower quartile, first part. Lower quartile is what? n by 4, n by 4th observation, that means 80 by 4th observation, that is 20th observation. So where do you see the cumulative frequency just greater than 20 is over here. So here the value of x is 4. That means 4, x equal to 4 is your lower quartile, or we can write it as q1, है ना, q1 is equal to 4. Second thing, upper quartile, which is 3n by 4th observation. So 3n by 4 will be 3 into 80 by 4th observation. That means your 60th observation. So where the cumulative frequency is just greater than 60, this one over here. So this one is 60th observation. So x equal to 6. So we can say q3 is equal to 6, upper quartile. Third one, interquartile range. So interquartile range will be equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile, that is 6 minus 4, which is equal to, simple. All right, okay, this is how very easy question. This is how this part will be solved. All right, now before moving ahead, let me tell you all beta that see, whenever you are going to for any coaching or any institute where you want to study, what are the things you have in your mind? And before that also, let me tell you the situation right now. The situation right now, as you all know, is very severe. Again, the lockdowns is started to implement again, and all these things are happening. So during this time, it is very important for all of you to have one institute where you can all complete your studies at the comfort of your home, and Vedantu Pro is the best option for you out there. Why? First thing first, see, first thing, it will be completing your full syllabus, that too with your favorite master teachers. All right, second thing, you will be provided with the notes and assignments will be given to you for your practice. Third thing, you will be getting the test series. Test will be taken just to see that where do you stand, how much more preparation do you need for your revision throughout the whole year. Test series will be conducted. All right, other than that, what else you need? Just keep thinking. Doubts, obviously you might have doubts. So for your doubts during the class, we have a dedicated teacher, separate dedicated teacher for your doubt solving, so that your doubts get solved in the real time. All right, so for doubt solving, we have a dedicated teacher. After that, what else you require? What else you want? Let's say a revision. Yes, a structured revision plan. A structured revision plan, once the whole syllabus is completed, will be there, and you will be we will be doing the whole revision of the whole syllabus before your examination, and will be supporting in each and every way. Other than this, suppose if you miss the class, you can always watch the recording of the class. So these many features which are very essential and which makes your studies good are the best at Vedantu. So these are the awesome features like live classes, as I told, and students from all over the world will be getting with the recording. There is one good feature that even when you are watching the replay of a class, during that time also you will be able to attend the quiz, you'll be able to get the marks for it, you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard as well. So that means you'll not feel like you're just watching a recording. You can even check whether you are able to solve the quizzes or not. All right, so it will give you like a feeling that you are in the live class right now. All right, then notes, which I have told you, doubt solving, for your doubt solving, a dedicated teacher, all these things. Also micro courses, that is your topic specific course, and crash courses, that is your revision courses, will be free of cost. You can utilize them in the best way possible, and all of this you'll be getting with just one subscription. No need to go for thousands of places or thousand things to buy. Just one subscription you have to take, and you will be getting all these features. How do you do that? Just come to the video of on YouTube of any of my video. Let's say over here. Okay, I have opened, this is the previous video, VIP series for ICSE and trigonometry topic. Okay, or you can just come to today's video's description box also. Pinned comment, you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now is given over here. Also in the description box, you can see over here subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Just click on this link As soon as you have clicked on this link, you have reached over here grade 10th. If you want to change your grade, suppose your grade 10th you have completed, you want to go for grade 11th, so you can choose grade 11th also, and then your target exam, JEE, NEET, science, commerce, whatever it is. If you have just come to grade 10th, choose grade 10th and select your exam, CBSE, or you can take for JEE as well, Maharashtra board, ICSE. All this will be over here. All right, so let's say we are choosing for grade 10th ICSE. All right, so this part we have 3 courses now: Light, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. So all the features which I have told you right till now, they are available with all the 3 parts, and Light is the basic course. So they are the features of only the basic course. There are more features than that. So the basic course has the features like live interactive online classes, test series and analysis, notes and study material, and doubt solving during class. All this I have told. Now the next course is your classic. In this classic has all the features of the light course plus the doubt solving on mobile app. Doubt solving on mobile app means even after the class, if you get any doubt, you can simply post the doubt on the mobile app of Vedantu and you can get your doubt cleared. So this will come with the classic subscription. Throughout the subscription part, you will be getting the doubt solving app also, so that your doubt will not be with you for a long period of time. Whenever you got, just click the photo, send it to the team, and they will share you the solution and they'll make you understand that. All right. After this part, the next course is Plus. Plus have all the features of the classic. That means the basic features of the light plus the doubt solving app plus one more feature, that is personal mentor. Personal mentor is a teacher who will be your constant motivator, constant supporter, constant guide, teacher, everything for your whole journey of this whole year. And you can ask him about any doubt you have, academic, non-academic. He will be there for you and he will be sailing you through this journey of your studies. All right, so these are the 3 features are there. Now these are the prices for light, classic and plus. All these 3 prices, as you can see, these are for the whole year. But suppose if you think it is more, and is there any option like EMI option, you have heard, right? So like that you can also try it for 1 month. All right, so you can keep renewing your subscription for every month. If paying suppose this much price, 27k around is more, you can come for this per month price. Here you have to pay 2340 every month, and every month you can renew your subscription. All right, so it will not be a big burden on the pocket as well. So the light is available at 2340 per month, and this classic is available at 2970 per month, and your plus is available at 4230 per month. All right, so these are the part. You can even see your syllabus, everything will be covered over here. All right, and teachers, batch structure, what it will be, how the classes are going to be conducted, everything you can see. And these are some frequently asked questions, you can go through them also if any of your doubt is still there. All right बेटा, so GPE Pro is GP Pro जो कोर्स है वो ऑलरेडी लगाया हुआ है, सबके ऊपर GP Pro कोड लगाया हुआ है, तो बस तुमको खाली और खाली जाके ये ट्राई फॉर 1 मंथ वाले में करना है। और यहाँ पे देखो GP Pro कोड लगा हुआ है, बस यहाँ पे आगे पेमेंट करना और कुछ नहीं है। जैसे ही पेमेंट करोगे तुमको अपनी वेदांतु आईडी में क्लासेस दिखने लग जाएंगी। ये पास्ट क्लासेस में आओगे तो तुम लोग देखो नोट्स भी देख सकते हो क्लासेस के, यू कैन वॉच दी नोट्स। ये देखो नोट्स आ जाएंगे तुमको, ठीक है, ये नोट्स डाउनलोड कर सकते हो तुम लोग ऐसे, इसमें टीचर्स की हैंडराइटिंग में सब कुछ लिखा हुआ रहेगा। उसके अलावा अगर मान लो तुम्हें रिप्ले देखना तो क्लिक ऑन रिप्ले पे क्लिक कर दो, तो ये तुम लोग रिप्ले पे क्लिक करोगे और इस फॉर्मेट में बेटा तुम लोग अपना क्विज भी अटेंड कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो ये सारे फीचर्स रहेंगे विद योर वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन। आगे बढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखो क्या है क्वेश्चन। अब आते हैं हम लोग प्रोबेबिलिटी के ऊपर। तो रमेश चूजेस अ डेट एट रैंडम इन जनवरी फ्रॉम अ पार्टी, ये जनवरी का कैलेंडर दिया हुआ है। फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही चूजेस अ वेंसडे, ठीक है। वेंसडे के लिए बेटा मैंने देख लिया, देखो कितने दिन है वेंसडे के, 1 2 3 4 5, तो 31 डेज है। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर चूजिंग अ वेंसडे विल बी कि सर 5 डेज आउट ऑफ 31, सिंपल है। और क्या ये फिर बोल रहा है फ्राइडे, ठीक है। सेकेंड वाला प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ चूजिंग अ फ्राइडे, तो फ्राइडे ये रहा, प्रोबेबिलिटी फ्राइडे में कितने दिन है 1 2 3 4 5, ये भी कितना हो गया सर 5 डेज आउट ऑफ 31 डेज फ्राइडे है। लास्ट वाला थर्ड वाला देखो ध्यान से सुनना, थर्ड वाला क्या बोल रहा है बेटा, थर्ड वाला बोल रहा है ट्यूसडे और सैटरडे, प्रोबेबिलिटी ईदर इट इज ट्यूसडे और सैटरडे, ये पढ़ो ध्यान से, और दिया हुआ है, और मतलब कि ट्यूसडे भी चलेगा सैटरडे भी चलेगा, कोई भी एक होना चाहिए। तो ट्यूसडे में कितने दिन है हमारे पास में 1 2 3 4, सैटरडे में कितने हैं 1 2 3 4, सो टोटल 8 डेज हो गए, 4 ट्यूसडे के 4 सैटरडे के, डिवाइड बाय 31 विच इज 8 बाय 31, ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन, सिंपल, और क्या ही चाहिए, नथिंग। ऑलराइट, इजी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन अ बंडल ऑफ 50 शर्ट्स 44 आर गुड एंड 4 हैव माइनर डिफेक्ट्स, 2 हैव मेजर डिफेक्ट्स। तो 50 शर्ट्स है टोटल, उसमें से 44 जो है वो कैसी है, गुड है, ठीक है, 4 के साथ में माइनर डिफेक्ट्स हैं, माइनर छोटी मोटी, कि भाई बटन टूट गया किसी का ये वो, और 2 में मेजर डिफेक्ट्स है, मेजर डिफेक्ट्स मतलब फट गई है ना, वैसा कुछ। ऑलराइट, तो what is the probability that it is acceptable to a trader who accepts only a good shirt? तो बेटा एक बात बताओ, अगर कोई ट्रेडर है जो खाली और खाली अच्छी शर्ट ही खरीदेगा, जो खाली और खाली अच्छी शर्ट ही खरीदेगा, तो क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि वो एक बंडल में से एक शर्ट उठाए और वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा? तो ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए बेटा भाई टोटल 50 शर्ट्स हैं, उसमें से अगर वो खाली गुड एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है तो गुड वाली कंडीशन फेवरेबल है, तो 44/50 which is 22/25, ठीक है। सेकेंड वाला पार्ट देखो, सेकेंड वाला देखते हैं, इट इज एक्सेप्टेबल टू अ ट्रेडर हु रिजेक्ट्स ओनली अ शर्ट इन मेजर डिफेक्ट। मतलब देखो पहले वाला ट्रेडर था वो बोल रहा था मैं तो खाली गुड शर्ट्स लूंगा, सेकेंड वाला जो ट्रेडर है वो बोल रहा है कि देखो मेरे को ना मेजर डिफेक्ट्स वाली शर्ट नहीं चाहिए, बाकी मेरे को गुड शर्ट्स भी चलेगी, माइनर डिफेक्ट भी मैं काम चला लूंगा, मेजर डिफेक्ट मुझे नहीं चाहिए। तो फॉर द सेकेंड वन ही इज ओके, ही इज फॉर हिम गुड शर्ट्स आर ऑल्सो फेवरेबल एज वेल एज ये माइनर डिफेक्ट वाली भी उसकी फेवरेबल शर्ट्स हैं, उसको काम चल जाएगा उसमें भी। तो 48/50 मतलब कितना 24/25 हो गया प्रोबेबिलिटी, बात खत्म, और क्या ही है, ठीक है बेटा। दिस इज हाउ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन अ म्यूजिकल चेयर गेम अ पर्सन हैज बीन एडवाइज्ड टू स्टॉप प्लेइंग द म्यूजिक एट एनी टाइम, किसी भी टाइम पे विद इन 40 सेकेंड्स आफ्टर स्टार्ट, मतलब 0 से लेके 40 सेकंड, जब से शुरू हुआ तब से लेके 40 सेकंड के बीच में वो कभी भी बंद कर सकता है, ठीक है। तो या तो वो फर्स्ट सेकंड पहले सेकंड में बंद कर ले, या दूसरे सेकंड 2 सेकंड के बाद, 3 सेकंड के बाद, 4 सेकंड के बाद, 5 सेकंड के बाद। सो दिस वे टोटल नंबर ऑफ केसेस कितने हो जाएंगे बेटा मेरे पास, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स मेरे पास में हो गई 40। कौन कौन सी भाई सर, वो एक तो उसने 1 सेकंड बाद बंद किया, फिर 2 सेकंड बाद बंद किया, 3 सेकंड बाद बंद किया, 4 सेकंड बाद बंद किया, 5 सेकंड बाद बंद किया, एंड सो ऑन, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द म्यूजिक विल स्टॉप विद इन द फर्स्ट 15 सेकंड्स? तो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स में मैं चाहता हूं कि म्यूजिक जो है वो 15 सेकंड से पहले ही स्टॉप हो जाए, तो विद इन द फर्स्ट 15 सेकंड मतलब 15 सेकंड तक, 15 भी इंक्लूडेड है, 15 सेकंड तक स्टॉप हो जाए। तो अब इसमें कितने केसेस हो रहे हैं देखो, 1 सेकंड बाद एक्सेप्टेबल, 2 सेकंड बाद एक्सेप्टेबल है, 3 सेकंड बाद एक्सेप्टेबल है, ऐसे करते करते 15 सेकंड तक एक्सेप्टेबल है, तो टोटल 15 केसेस हुए हैं। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो गया 15/40 विच इज इक्वल टू 3/8, खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन। फेवरेबल आउटकम्स डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स। ऑलराइट बेटा, तो इस तरीके से ये थोड़े से इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं। जैसा कि मैंने वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन बारे में बताया है, 3 कोर्सेज हैं, प्रो लाइट, प्रो क्लासिक और प्रो प्लस। तो जीपी प्रो कोड लगाओ, 10% ऑफ पाओ एंड वेलकम टू द सेशन करो, ठीक है। तो वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल बच्चों, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग द सेशन। अरे बैटरी कम हो गई क्या? ओके, ये देख लो जरा, ये तुम्हारे बैच स्टार्टिंग डेट है, ठीक है। तो अपने ग्रेड के हिसाब से एक बार देख लो और रजिस्टर कर लो जल्दी से, ठीक है। कोई भी क्वेरी है तो पता कर सकते हो। ऑल्सो एक और बात बेटा, कि अगर मान लो तुम्हें मेरे बैच में आना है और तुम्हें अगर मेरा बैच अलॉट नहीं हुआ है तो कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम लोग ना wecare@vedantu.com पे एक मेल लिख दो स्टेटिंग कि सर हमें गोपाल सर के बैच में डाल दो, एंड तुम सीधा मेरे बैच में ट्रांसफर हो जाओगे। अदरवाइज अगर वहाँ पे एक बार मेल कर लो, दे विल गिव यू अ रिस्पॉन्स विद इन 24 आवर्स। अगर नहीं रिस्पॉन्स आता है तो मुझे इस पे भी मेल कर सकते हो, है ना, मैं तुम्हारा वो ट्रांसफर कर दूंगा, मेल फॉरवर्ड आगे मैं कर दूंगा, ठीक है बेटा। तो दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड इन टूडेज क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच. मिलते हैं वापस जल्दी ही. Bye bye to all of you. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. And have fun. All the best to all of you. Okay? Chalo. Bye bye.